Hi, this is Sam Thomas. I'm here at the Pembrokeshire College atrium to find out more about the Santes Dwynwen event. So we're here with Janice and she's going to tell us all about Santes Dwynwen.
Santes Dwynwen Day is celebrated on the 25th of January every year and is getting more publicity every year just as a way of raising cultural awareness.
Okay, as we can see there's a lot of events going on around here. Do you think that this event is really going to take off in the next few years?
More and more staff know about it, more and more students know about it because there's much more going on in schools, and also businesses such as Tesco even recognise the day. So yeah, I think it is a growing event, and I'm sure on the commercial side, people will take advantage. If they think that they can make more money, well, they will. But it's great, yes.
Good. Are you happy with the way that today has turned out so far?
Yes, we've got beauty students doing mini manicures and nail art. We've got art students, they've done some fantastic exhibitions over there, and another set of students are doing observational art workshops. And later on we've got the carpenters coming along and they're going to be doing Welsh Love Spoon workshops. And our childcare students will be coming along providing a card service. So everybody can go home with a Santes Dwynwen card for their beloved ones. And also our college nurse has been involved. She's invited local organisations, health organisations, to raise awareness about sexual health and well-being of our staff and students.
And finally, does Santes Dwynwen have any special meaning to you?
Oh yes. She symbolises love for me personally. It is a very important day in the Welsh calendar.
We're here with Melanie from Shine. Do you think that Santes Dwynwen is an important event for Wales, and do you think that it sort of links in with what you're trying to show here?
I think this is a great event and it was a great opportunity, and we linked in really well with Santes Dwynwen. It's all about relationships, and like I said, Go Folic is all about keeping healthy before and during pregnancy. And
how is the event going for you today?
It's a little bit quiet. I can't compete with some of the other stalls which have got cupcakes on, but it's important. I've made some important links as well.
Great, thank you. So that was the Santes Dwynwen event. This is Sam Thomas reporting for The Voice at Pembrokeshire College.